Hey guys, Jen from ARB Springwood, Maddi from Sleek Hours is here, and we've just finished checking out Max. Max has a protective coating on it. Maddi, tell me a bit about it.
So pretty much we specialise in paint protection film for trucks and four-wheel drives. We do a heap of 4Bs to stop stone chips on the front areas and then the pinstriping down the sides. They're sort of the common areas we protect.
So Maddi, we've got our little demo here. I see that we've got the film on one side and nothing on the other. Can you tell me a bit about the difference between this and a coating?
Yeah, of course. So there's actually a lot of misconception between what a coating is and a paint protection film. Pretty much the easiest way to explain it is that film is a physical wrap, therefore it is a sacrificial barrier to your paintwork. As opposed to a coating, this will make your car look nice, but it's not going to hold up with scratches and stone chips. So this demo here is awesome. If you come to any of the stores, you will be able to see it in person and give it a shot. This is our film here, which has been scratched continuously. Here there is absolutely no paint protection on it. This is to show the difference of continued abuse and simulate what it would look like if you were to go through bushes with and without protection.
I know I'd rather it with protection.
Yes. A lot of people are really surprised with what the film can endure, and it's because it's made out of thermoplastic polyurethane, which means it has self-healing abilities. So to rejuvenate your film after you've gone bush bashing all weekend, you're just going to come home, boil your kettle, grab the hairdryer out, anything that's heat, and you can aid that self-healing properties in the film.
If you want to check this out in person, come in store, we'll do the demo with you, we can show you Max and go through some of these really awesome options that we have. But if you want to protect your new 4B, come in, this is an option you shouldn't miss.